I've been missing all of you so much. Today we are going to revise all our sounds that we were learning about last term. Do you remember them? Okay, we're going to have a look and see. First, I've got my secret sound basket and I'm going to get some objects out beginning with a certain sound, and I want you to try and guess what those objects begin with. My first one is, what is this? It's a delicious strawberry. Very good, friends. A strawberry. Strawberry. My next object that I've got is, what is this? It's a sponge. Very good. Sponge. I wonder if you're thinking what I'm thinking. Let's see if we can get another object beginning with a certain sound. Sun. Very good. Sun. I don't think I can trick you any longer. So what is that sound that we were learning about? Yes, that's right. S for strawberry, S for sun, and S for sponge. Let's put it in our sound cup. In they go. Now let's have a look at that letter. Yes, this is the letter S, and it makes a S sound. Well done, friends. I can't trick any of you. Now we're going to sing our song together and practice saying S. Are you ready? Remember to practice with me.
S. Snake.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass.
Well done. That was such good singing. Okay, now we have a next sound. It's on my sound cup, and I've got an object over here. Oh, it's a picture of an ant. Very good, ant. And I've got one more. Apple. Good job, friends. Now can you guess what the sound is? You were right. A for apple and A for ant. Now let's look at the letter A. That's our letter A, and it makes an A sound. A for ant and A for apple. Have a think. Do you see anything around your house beginning with an A sound? Or maybe your name begins with an A sound. A for Alice. A for Akisha. These are all names beginning with an A sound. Have a think. See if you can find more words beginning with an A sound. Now let's practice saying A together and singing our song. Are you ready?
A. Ant.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
So many A words all around. Now our next letter and sound is, I've got a picture of something right over here. Let's see if you can guess. That is right. Tap. Tap, tap, tap for tap. One more. Let's see. I think I can trick you with this one. T for train. Good job, friends. You got the sound right. It's our T sound. T. Let's practice saying that together and let's sing our song. Are you ready?
Tennis.
When I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Good singing, guys. T for tennis. Remember to have a look all around your house to see if you can find words beginning with a T sound. Have a look. That's our letter T, and it makes a T sound. Now we're going to move on to our next sound. I wonder what that's going to be. I have got a picture of an igloo. Well done. Igloo. Put it in my sound cup. And ink. Good job, friends. Ink. It's our I sound. The letter I makes an I sound. I for ink. I for igloo. And maybe we can think and see if we can find some other words around the house beginning with an I sound. Let's practice saying it together and sing our song. I.
Ink.
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 Inky the mouse is my pet. She's filthy ink and complete.
Oh no!
The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet.
Poor Inky the mouse. Ink. She's all wet. Now we're going to look at our next sound. Let's see if I can find some pictures in my secret sound basket. I found something. Panda. Good job, friends. It is. It's a panda. For panda. You were right. It's the P sound. Let's have a look at the letter P, and we can practice saying those sounds together. P makes a P sound. P for pan, P for pizza. I know you all like pizza. And what else? P for pirate. Ahoy, matey. Now let's practice saying P together, and then we'll sing our song.
Puff.
Puff out the candles on the big, big cake. Puff out the candles on the big, big cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Puff. That's a good sound. Puff. Now let's look at our last sound. Let's see. I've got nut. Put it in my sound cup. And net. Very good. Net. I'm going to put it in my sound cup. What sound does those words begin with? Net and a nut. And my neck. That all begins with a N sound. Very good. The letter N makes a N sound. Nut, neck, and nut. Very good. Now we're going to practice saying it together, and then we'll sing our song.
Net.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane. It's making lots of noise.
For noise. And can you hear that aeroplane? Is the sound. Now friends, thank you so much for joining me for our revision of all our sounds. I would like you to keep practicing those sounds. Our first one was S, A, T, 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 I for Inky the mouse, and for that aeroplane noise. Keep practicing them at home and make sure you find objects all around your house beginning with those sounds and letters. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!